there, Pipe Wrench. How you doing?
Cletus, I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah?
On a road trip.
Yeah, we got a long
road trip.
I hope this old pickup truck gets us there.
All reliable.
You know, Aunt Tilly, she's gonna be real happy when she sees us.
Yeah. Oh, man.
You know, I'm glad I got all these snacks.
Oh, you brought snacks? Oh, man. Oh, what'd you bring?
You know what? I was gonna bring some squirrel jerky.
Ooh.
And some crocodile chili.
Crocodile chili.
I love eating crocodile chili in the truck. That's my favorite. But I forgot it, dude. I'm feeling the gurgling down here, man. I'm feeling hungry. You got anything?
Cleveland. I thought you were bringing the snacks.
I know. I dropped.
Wait, Cleveland. What's up? Hold on. I think I might have something.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Hold on. Let me look.
I'm gonna go get my hopes up, man. I can't do this again.
Wait, please.
Oh, it's gonna be long.
I got some mighty fine bread.
What in the world?
Oh, Cleveland. Woo! That's strong bread. That's the good stuff.
Some pumpernickel bread?
I don't know. It's something pump or something.
All right, I like that, dude. You know what? I think that's good.
Oh, that was.
Yo, Pipe Wrench, take the wheel. Take the wheel.
I got you.
I got some too. I got some fancy
Oh,
rye bread.
Cleveland.
My hair. Hey, here, take that.
Okay.
And I'll take the wheel.
All right.
All right. Okay, that's gonna
Wow,
make
we
this
got
road trip.
We got
a little
two
bit-
pieces of bread. That's one more than we had.
Hey, man, it's better than nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, amen.
Yeah.
Oh, what could?
Still the cat.
We got two pieces of bread.
No, no.
Oh, Cleveland.
We got.
Please keep your eyes on the road, all right?
I will.
Won't believe it.
Yeah.
What if I told you?
It better not. I'm a big fan of sandwiches.
Hold on. Look, where are you? Oh, Cleveland.
Falling between the seat there, did it, Pipe Wrench?
Oh no, Cleveland, I found it.
Oh no.
I found it.
Yeah,
That's some good meat.
Yeah, leftover turkey?
Woo!
Hey,
No.
that's well seasoned.
Woo! Yeah. Don't place the turkey on bread.
That's good turkey.
We got ourselves a sandwich.
That's a mighty fine good sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
Hey man, since you're my cousin-in-law by law and everything, why don't you go ahead and take the first bite?
Oh, please.
Yeah, go ahead, man. We'll share it, but hold on.
Good.
Take the wheel.
Okay.
Take the wheel. Give me the sandwich.
Okay.
I've been growing a batch of cheese lately. You know, I'm gonna put this right on the plate. Yeah.
Don't play with me, Cleveland.
Yeah.
I'm making my mouth water. Oh, yeah.
Good old American cheese.
American. The best kind.
Nice and warm too. Yeah.
Nacho cheese.
There you go.
American.
Hey, I know I said I'd give you a first bite.
Hey, please, go for
Mine?
it. Go
Okay.
for it.
All right. I'm
Serve
just
it,
gonna
please.
take out. I don't find the crust too much.
Wait, Cleveland.
Hey, yeah. What's up?
Hold on. Take the wheel. Take the wheel. Okay, so this we got the cheese, we got the meat. We got ourselves a decent sandwich, right?
It's my department.
What if I got some mustard.
Really?
I got
Maybe
some.
a whole packet of mustard?
No, I got something better. Homemade, organic. All right.
That'd be
So we
organic.
take the bread and we give it. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I like heavy mustard.
You want some more?
That's good.
Pretty nice and soft. You can really pack it together.
Seconds?
Like dense sandwich.
Well seasoned, homemade, organic mustard.
Don't mind if I do. If you don't mind if I do.
Go right ahead there, Pipe Wrench. Wait a second! This whole mustard thing's getting me thinking.
What you thinking about?
Yeah, take the wheel.
Oh,
Take the wheel. I can add to your mustard. I got some ketchup.
Oh boy.
Yep. Got some ketchup.
It's like a hot dog on the sandwich.
You like ketchup? Oh yeah, I like
Tomatoes.
All right, here you go. Here you go.
I get. Oh, Cleveland. You shouldn't have. Oh, I can't wait to eat this.
We're about
I can't wait.
We're about halfway there, right?
Halfway there. Oh boy.
Whoa,
Please.
my friends,
Stop
check
the
it
car.
out. Check it out. Pick her up. Hey, come on in.
Hey, take the seat. got room.
Get in here. Get in here.
Sit right on down.
So, how about that weather?
Yeah, weather. Yeah. Wait, Cleveland, did you hear that noise? What was that noise?
Yeah, I think I heard something. Your stomach, huh?
I mean, we just made a. It's the right thing to do, man.
We are quite the gentleman.
I guess you could help find some sound.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
All right, Cleveland. All right. Here you go, boy. Good sound.